back to my channel, and in today's video I have a beautiful Diwali look for you all. If you guys would like to see how I create it, please keep on watching. So before I get into the makeup, I will be first putting on my jewelry. All of my jewelry I had gotten at an Indian store in New York. I can't quite remember the place, and look at this gorgeous necklace. So beautiful. I don't think I've ever worn this piece, but it just goes so well with the outfit, and yes, you will see more content with the full outfit, so you won't miss out on that. And I did already put on my bangles, so all the jewelry is on. I have earrings, necklace, and my bangles, and we'll get a bindi at the end. Before I start my makeup again, I'm going to be spraying some Not Your Mother's texturizing spray into my hair, just so while I do my makeup, this could just set and kind of get that really gritty texture for my hair for the hairstyle. Look at this. Alrighty, I'm going to start off by priming my face with my Maybelline Face Studio Primer, the Blur and Defend 500, and now I'm going to blend it all out. For foundation, I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm going to be using the shade 322. I'm going to be going in with a beauty blender, so I'm just going to spray my face with some Badescu Rose Water Spray. I love this stuff. And then I will be patting it into my skin. I know some people dampen their beauty blender, but I just like to give my face a good spray because I have dry skin, and the rose water really helps. And just like, look at that, such a flawless finish. I feel like putting the water into the foundation, like later on during the day, you'll start noticing your foundation kind of gets ruddy, and just, you could tell it starts dissipating because you're mixing like a water in your foundation. So I just like doing it this way, but I've done it both ways too, so it's totally up to you. Next, I'm going to conceal, and for that I will be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in the shade Light Tan. When I think Indian makeup, I think very bold, very bright, and so I'm going to cream contour today, and for that I will be using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and this is in the shade Rich Ebony. With Indian looks, I feel like you could get so creative, and that too much is not too much, so I just love that. And I'll be using my beauty blender for that as well. I can tell you with the e.l.f. Camo Concealers, a little bit goes a long way. Now that I'm happy with how it all blended out, I'm going to be setting the contour. I'm going to be using the Anastasia contour kit in the shade light to medium. I'm going to be mixing a little bit of the banana powder and the light white, and then a little bit of each of these brown shades to powder contour. For that, I'm going to be taking the clean side of my beauty sponge instead of the dirty side, and I'm just going to rub the beauty blender in the powder, and I'm going to be placing it right under my eye just to set it. You guys can see how bright it got already. I love it. Just look at the difference. And I'm also putting it on top of my eyes because I like to set the concealer on top of my eyes for a really great eyeshadow canvas. I'm also going to go underneath the contour and set that as well. And setting those smile lines while we're at it. And now, going to be brushing away the excess and just blending that in. And now to set everything all together, I know I need to clean all this up. I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Face Powder in the shade 330. So I just put a really light amount and just start blending everything together. It adds your natural skin tone back to your face, and like I said, just helps to blend everything together. It seems like a lot of makeup, but they are just very thin layers of different products put together. I was going to add the powder contour on top, but I'm actually very happy with how this came out. That e.l.f. concealer is very, very good, and it's my first time using it, so I think I'm just going to leave it like this. So I'm just going to go on and move on to blush and highlight. So for blush, I'm going to be going in with Playoffs, and this is by the Colourpop High School Musical line. I'm just going to apply a generous amount to my cheeks. Indian Makeup has a very heavy blush and just kind of brings that very flush look, so I think it just suits the look and the whole celebration altogether. Now going in with this beautiful gold highlight, and this is the Carli Bybel highlight from her Deluxe Beach Cosmetics palette. Super pigmented, I love that. For eyes, I will be mixing two palettes as usual. I will be using the Morphe Fierce by Nature and then also the High School Musical Colourpop palette. Look how beautiful this green is. Matches my outfit perfectly. For some dimension, I'm going to be adding a dark brown into the outer V. Before I complete my eyes, I just want to go in and fill my eyebrows now. It's bothering me, so I'm just going to fill them in real quick. I will be using a black eyeshadow from the Morphe palette to do so. What's an Indian look without some glitter? So I'm going to be going in with my Colourpop Build Your Own glitter palette, and I'm going to be popping this beautiful green onto my lids. I'm now going to be adding some winged eyeliner. I'm really tempted to use this High School Musical Colourpop Gold eyeliner, so I'm going to line my waterlines with this. That is super pretty. Oh my gosh. I love this eyeliner. It's so creamy and so pigmented. Indian Makeup usually has very dark black eyeliner, so I'm just gonna go right under that gold, and I'm going to add some of that under. I'm now going to be adding some gold eyeshadow into the inner corner. Let's see if I add this peach color right there in my brow bone area. And just for a little emphasis, and just blend it all out. I'm going to clean up the corners of my eyeshadow, and I'm just taking the remaining concealer and just drawing the line right up. For lashes, I will be going in with the Still a Huge Lash Mascara in the shade Black. First, we gotta curl these lashes. Alright, we're gonna try a lip combo, and let's see if it looks good. So I'm going to be going in and lining my lips with the Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Chestnut, and I will be going in with this Hard Candy Wet Ever lip gloss, and this is in the shade Genius. And I'm just gonna bring it down. This lip liner is one of my all-time favorites. I think that looks pretty. Like a nudie pink. Looks really good with my skin tone. I was wondering if it was going to, but I think it does. So I think we'll keep this for lips. I also have this NYX Sprinkle Town Duochromatic lip gloss, and this is in the shade Pot of Gold. I kind of wanted to put some in the center and see what it looks like. Like I said, with Indian looks and just really bold looks, you can get creative, and like I said, even if you think it's too much kind of is like the equivalent, so. I think that looks really pretty. Okay, I think I'm done with the lips now. Alrighty, it is time for hair. The texturizing spray did its job, so I'm really happy about that. I'm just going to section my hair now and get clean, even sections. And I'm going to start teasing my hair. Don't worry, my bangs are just falling out there. That is totally okay. Texturizing spray just helps, do you see that, like it won't even budge, so it just helps keep everything in place and just adding more bounce to my day-old curls. And I just use this pick on the other end and just kind of lift everything up. Going to repeat that on this side. And I just like to go in and do my bangs separate. And I'll mold it with the pick just to curl right over. And I'm just going to push up to elevate more of that volume. Do you see that? The difference? It is so voluminous, and that spray is keeping my hair so intact. And for finishing touches, we will be going in and adding a green bindi to my forehead. Alright everyone, so that was it for today's look. I hope you guys had so much fun watching me create this beautiful green and gold look. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to leave some comments down below on what other videos you guys would like to see. And don't forget to turn on the notifications bell so you guys will never miss any uploads of mine. With all of that said, I hope all of you have a blessed Diwali to all that is celebrating. And until then, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.